To fix a missing sidebar in Finder on Mac, start by opening the Finder application. This can be done by clicking on the Finder icon in the dock or by using the Command and Space keys to search for it. Once Finder is open, go to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down menu, select Show Sidebar. If the sidebar is still not visible, go back to the View menu and select Customize Toolbar. In the Customize Toolbar window, click and drag the sidebar button to the toolbar at the top of the Finder window. This will add the sidebar toggle button to the toolbar, allowing you to easily show or hide the sidebar. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Command and Option and S to toggle the sidebar on and off. If the sidebar is still missing after trying these steps, try restarting your Mac. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve the issue. Additionally, you can also try resetting the Finder preferences to their default settings. To do this, go to the Finder menu and select Preferences. Click on the Advanced tab and select Show All Filename Extensions. Then, go to the View menu and select Show View Options. In the View Options window, select the Show Sidebar checkbox. If the issue persists, try resetting the System Management Controller and the Non-Volatile Random Access Memory. To do this, shut down your Mac. Locate the following keys: the Power button, the Command and Option and Shift and Power buttons, and the Power button and the Command and Option and P and R keys. Press and hold the Power button until you hear the boot chime for the second time. Then release it. This will reset the System Management Controller. For the Non-Volatile Random Access Memory, press the Command and Option and P and R keys while booting up your Mac and hold them until you hear the boot chime for the second time. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the missing sidebar in Finder on your Mac. If the issue persists, it may be a hardware or software issue that requires further troubleshooting or professional assistance.